Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Genmoji on iPhone. First, you need to make sure that you have a new version of iPhone 15 or more. And the second thing you should do is to simply go to settings, then go to general settings. And once you go to general settings, you should go to about. And here you should make sure that you have iOS version 18, 18.1 or more. So you will have to click on iOS version and update to the latest version in order to use this feature. And here, as you can see, my model name is iPhone 15. Now let's go back. Now try to open anything that have keyboard or text on it. So here in my case, I will open this application, Messenger, for example. And here you should click on the emoji button on the bottom left corner. Then it will show you here all the emojis. You should click on this emoji button right here, and it will open this page to you right here. Now you can describe a Genmoji. You can describe anything that you want. Let's say that you want to type a flying elephant or even a dancing cat or even a singing dog. So here in my case, I will type dog singing. Then you'll have to wait for a couple of seconds, and after it finish, we'll show you here some results. Now you can click on add, and as you can see now, it's added as a sticker and also added as an emoji just right here. You can now use it as a normal emoji and type text beside it, or even use it as a sticker when sending it separately. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.